This is the bathroom. Bathroom.
This is a shower. Shower. This is soap. Soap. This is shampoo. Shampoo. This is a towel. Towel. This is a toilet. Toilet. And this is toilet paper. Toilet paper.
This is a bathtub. Bathtub. These are toothbrushes. Toothbrushes. This is toothpaste. Toothpaste. This is a sink. Sink. This is a mirror. Mirror.
Sam, what is this?
That is a shower.
Good. Now you ask Isabel.
Isabel, where is the soap?
The soap is in the shower. Who is sitting on the toilet?
Joe is sitting on the toilet. Isabel, where is the mirror?
The mirror is on the wall.
Good.
Joe, where is the toothpaste?
The toothpaste is on the counter between the toothbrushes.
Clean. Clean. Isabel cleans the bathroom.
I cleaned the bathroom. I cleaned the bathroom on Saturday.
Sam, when does Isabel clean the bathroom? Tuesday? Thursday? When does Isabel clean the bathroom?
Oh, Isabel cleans the bathroom on Saturday.
Saturday.
Excellent. Now follow Mr. Tandy.
This is Isabel's bedroom. Bedroom. This is a bed. Bed. These are pillows. Pillows. This is a lamp. Lamp. This is a clock. Clock. This is a dresser. Dresser. This is a drawer. Drawer. This is a closet. Closet. These are clothes. Clothes. Oscar, where are the pillows?
They're on the bed.
Now you ask Teresa.
Teresa, where are the clothes?
The clothes are in the closet.
Now you ask Isabel.
Isabel, where is the dresser? It is next to the wall.
Now you ask Sam.
Sam, Where is the bed?
The bed is on the floor. Mr. Tandy, what is this?
That is a clock. Okay, let's go to the living room. Oscar, please stand up. Go to the bathroom, pick up a toothbrush, and bring it back to me, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Teresa, pick up 2 magazines, please. Good. Now put one on the piano and put the other next to the plant. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now you tell Oscar what to do.
Oscar, pick up the newspaper. Hold it above Isabel. Now put it under the table and sit down. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Now you tell Sam what to do.
Go to the bedroom, pick up a pillow from the bed, and give it to Teresa. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Sam, tell Isabel what to do.
Give me that picture of your mom.
That's not my mom. That's my aunt.
Oh, okay. Take that picture of your aunt off the wall. Give it to Mr. Tandy. Stop! Sit on the table. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Isabel. Goodbye.